Good morning students. Today we are discussing the chapter is 6th chapter. The topic is convert the following decimals. Convert the following decimals into simplest fractions. So convert the following decimals, okay, into smallest fractions. In the previous class we have learned about convert the decimals into a fraction. Just we have wrote the fractions, right? But here, after write the fraction, you have to simplify the fractions. Okay. Let's see the first sum. That is 0.75. First see 0.75. How to write as a fraction? S. First write as the numerator. The numerator is 75. Right? So see here, how many digits of 2 we have point? S, 2 digits after, right? 5 and 7. Here we have 2 digits after we are having the point. So 2 digits we have after the point. That's why 2 digit number is 2 zeros having the number is yes 100. So 75 by 100. 75 by 100. So see here we have 75 and 100. These two are cancelled in any common table? Simplification, simplest fraction. Convert this fraction into simplest fraction. So cancel these two numbers in any one common table. Okay, first take here. See the first right side first number, that is ones place. So see here ones place. Here the 5. Here is 0. This 5 and 0 are definitely cancelled in which table? 5 table. So cancel these two in a 5 table. 5 table. See here, this 7 is cancelled in 5 one time. The remainder is 2 and 25. 5 0 is 25. So here 5 times. So 15 5 0 is 75. Let's see here 10 is cancelled in the 5 table 2 times. Here we have 0 0. So this 100 is cancelled in the 5 20 times. Again we have 15 and 20. These two are also cancelled in which table? Yes, 5 table. Again take a 5 table. Cancel here. How many times? Yes, 5 is cancelled here 3 times. 3 5 is 15. And this 20? Yes, 4 times. Okay, 4 5 is 20. Let's take 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is a simplest fraction of 0.75 decimal number. So write the answer 3 by 4. Understood children this one? Let's see one more sum. Here see 53.3. 53.3. So first take the number in a numerator 53 and remove this point. Write it as a normal 3. So the number is 533. Take it in numerator place. And what is the denominator? See here we have 1 digit after point. So 1 digit having 1 0 having the number is S 10. So 10 here. So see 533 by 10. Is these two are cancelled in any common table? No table is cancelled these two numbers. So leave it like this. Okay. If it is possible then you can cancel. But these two are not cancelled in any common table. That's why leave it. Come to the next one. See here 7.345. 7.345. First take this number without point in a numerator place. So 7345 by, see here how many digits of a point? 3 digits after, right? So 3 digits after point. So 3 zeros having the number is, what is that number? Yes, 1000, right? So write in the 1000 here. So the number is 7345 by 1000. So this 5 and 0 are definitely cancelled in which table? 5 table. So cancel these numbers. 7, 3, 4, 5. 5 table. Take one time, that is 5, 2, 3. 5 is 20. 3 and 4. 6, 5 is 30 and 4, 5. How many times? 45. 9 times is 45. The remainder is 0. If you are multiplying this two, you will get the answer. 45, 34, 23, 7. Do you get the dividend? Yes. So the answer is 1469. That means 1469 times. Okay. Let's see. 1000 how many times cancelled in the 5 table? This time is cancelled in 2 table. And we have 2 zeros rather than 2 zeros. 200 times. Okay. See here 1469 and 200 are cancelled in any common table? No. So write that. See here 1469 by 200. So what is the simplest fraction of 7.345? That is 1469 by 2000. See, I will tell one more sum. See here 1.65. 1.65. See, take this number as a numerator. And denominator, here we are having the 2 digits. So 2 zeros number is 100. Here we have 5, here we have 0. So 100 is cancelled in 5 tables 20 times. 16, 15 is cancelled 3 times. And again 15 3 times. 33 5s 15, 50 plus 1 is 60, 165. Understood? So answer is 33 by 20. 33 by 20. Let's see. Okay, 500.20. So write it as a fraction. This is 500. Without a 0, you write a number. Okay. Now see, 50,000 20. 50,000 20 by what is the denominator here? See, 2 digits after here we are having the digits. Okay. The point is there after 2 digits. So in the 2 digits place you replace zeros. So 2 digits having the number is 2 zeros having the number is 100. So 100. See here we have zeros in ones place, right? Here we are having 0. Here also we are having a 0. So cancel these 2 zeros. If you have like this, you have to cancel the zeros. Okay. So 0 0 is cancelled. And 3 we have 5,002 by 10. Must remember, all of you see the first digit. That means one digit. Here we are having 2 and here 0. This 2 and 10. These 2 are cancelled in 2 table. Let's cancel the 2 numbers. 2 is cancelled in this 10 5 times. In this 5, it's cancelled 2 times because 2 2 is 4. Remaining 1, 5 times and 0, 1 time. Let's multiply. 2 0 0 1 5. Get it? We got it, right? If it like this you do division. We will get some quotient now. After that quotient, cancel the numerators and write down the answers. And see what is the final answer? That is 2501 by 5. 2501 by 5. Understood children this one? First suppose if you have like this, you write the 5000 by 2 digits of a point now, so 100. Okay, see here 50.00. Here 2 zeros before we have point, so 2 zeros having the number is 100. So 5000 by 100. So ones place we are having zeros, so cancel it. And see here tens place also zeros now, so cancel it. Okay, we are cancelled both ones place and tens place because in the numerator and denominator having zeros in ones place and tens place also. So cancel ones place zeros and after we are cancelled tens place zero. So what is the number remaining? Here 50 by 1. So denominator having 1. If you have a denominator 1, just we consider as a whole number 50. Understood children this one? Once all of you look at your textbook, that is page number 84, fourth topic, change the following decimals into simplest fractions. See here we have 8 sums. All of you must do this 8 sums. Okay, I hope you understand this class. All of you once note down